There you go. Kept tripping over this guy right here. I was even thinking, I'm like, yo, where did you even come from? Oh, you know what? I might put bricks down here too. Yeah, I'm gonna probably put bricks down there too. Alright, over and out. You know, gotta close up shop. It's getting to like a little bit after 5, so losing somebody. I know it don't look like it. Dang. All that snow bean be. So living off grid in the wilderness. This is how I do, baby. In the Appalachian area, homestead. You know what I'm saying? The Olmec Kai homestead. So tomorrow I'll be doing the